1994 Nissan 300ZX Twin-Turbo 5-Speed. Price, $46,500. Location, Chicago. The 1994 Nissan 300ZX Twin-Turbo is one of those legendary Japanese sports cars that instantly grabs attention the moment it appears on screen. Finished in factory super black paint with aggressive styling and iconic T-top glass panels, this E32 generation masterpiece represents the golden era of 1990s performance engineering. Even today, the design still looks futuristic, muscular, and ready to dominate the streets. The twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine hiding under the hood is what truly transforms this Nissan into a monster. Paired with a rare 5-speed manual transmission, this machine delivers thrilling acceleration and an unforgettable driving experience. Every gear shift feels raw and connected, while the upgraded intercooler piping and performance-focused setup give the car an even sharper personality that enthusiasts absolutely love. The exterior of this 300ZX looks like something straight out of a classic street racing movie. The sleek aerodynamic body lines, Stillen 17-inch wheels, rear spoiler, and dual exhaust setup create a perfect balance between elegance and aggression. The removable glass T-top panels add another level of excitement, turning this coupe into the ultimate open-air driving machine during sunset cruises or late-night city drives. The interior proves that Nissan designed this car with both performance and comfort in mind. The sporty bucket seats, carbon fiber style trim accents, premium Bose audio system, power accessories, and air conditioning create a cockpit that still feels special decades later. The driver-focused layout makes you feel connected to the road while surrounding you with classic 90s Japanese sports car vibes that collectors and enthusiasts are chasing today. The Nissan 300ZX Twin-Turbo was one of the most advanced sports cars of its time, competing against some of the biggest performance icons in the world. Its twin-turbo technology, sharp handling, and futuristic engineering made it a dream car for an entire generation. Today, clean manual twin-turbo examples are becoming harder to find, making this car not just an exciting machine to drive, but also a serious collector's piece. The moment this blacked-out 300ZX starts up, you immediately understand why the Z32 has become such an icon in car culture. The aggressive exhaust note, the turbocharged power delivery, and the unmistakable 90s styling create a combination that still turns heads everywhere it goes. This is more than just a sports car. It is a symbol of an era when Japanese automakers were building some of the most exciting performance machines the world had ever seen.